Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative. I am here with a quick little Tuesday morning haul. How you guys doing? Hope everybody's doing well. And don't know when this video will be up, but hopefully you got good weather going on and it's not too cold. You know, I don't know if it'll be before the holidays or after the holidays, but anyway, just a little small Tuesday morning haul. Not anything really big, but I did pick up this art bin. Which I may take back because I think I have another one that's similar to this. Let me see. But I got this when I saw the floss on it. Now that I'm thinking about it, I may have another one to check the grooves and have the pieces like this. So we'll see. I just realized the pieces. Is that supposed to be a piece over there? Oh no, it wasn't. But anyway, if not, I will keep it. Didn't pick up too much, but just a couple of items they had. So these were on clearance. This was on clearance and it ended up coming up for 0 cents. So they had two of them. But here I got both of them. But I was going to use this somehow in mixed media. And it just says a treasure part or something. I don't know what it is. I mean, like a trophy. Not treasure part. Yeah, that says treasure. But it looks like a trophy. But it was free. It came up 0 cents. This is on clearance as well. 60% or whatever it was for the 25. I paid like $2 something. I think a $2 1/4. But it was 6-piece set. So you have, and I gotta make sure I don't have this. But if I do, it'd be gifted. But you know, not bad for $2. And then they picked up a couple stamp sets. I don't believe I have this one. It says I love you, home sweet home. You're my sunshine, shine bright. Life is better with you. True Love Balloons. Of course, this is the Crafter's Companion 6-piece set. Oh, that's the wrong side. Let's see right there. And of course, they've been bringing in a lot of the Kaiser Craft, you know, the paper stuff the last couple of weeks. Didn't get any papers, you know, because I purged a lot and I'm not really trying to buy too many papers. I'm not going to say I won't. But I've really been more exclusive with my papers. So I didn't get any, but if you're looking for papers, there's a ton of Kaiser Craft, and tons of the single sheets out there. I mean, so many. I tried to take some pictures. I didn't post them on Instagram, but so many different ones. But I did get these two stamp sets. They were still reasonably priced, $3.99. It could have been $2.99, but it's still not bad, $3.99. And this one says, let's see how many pieces in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9-piece set. Happy birthday, congrats, and then a little birthday ticket. It's a best party, single ticket. And then this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why is this person's name? I just realized that. They have this person's name is Joseph Chilton Pierce. Okay, I have to look. I don't know who that is. But it says, handmade with love, handmade. You are so special to live a creative life. We must lose our fear of being wrong. Oh, duh. It's with the quote. Yeah. But anyway, and that's the pieces right there. Nice size. These do come with dissect and Sam. I hate paying $6.99, but I just thought it was different. Stamp set, so I thought that might be something different to play with. But this is an alphabet soup, so of course it has alphabets and a couple of symbols. Your exclamation, question mark, and ampersand. It's got a spoon. It's got noodles and mushrooms and splatters and stuff. So this is supposed to be to make soup. Or you also have a cup right here, so you can make alphabet soup. I can give you an example on the back. But nice size stamp. You see the size of it. Again, like I said, a coffee cup is in there too. Nope. And there's a Ritz cracker in there. And then the next one is Tiger Wisdom. And I did see that they had dials with this one too, but on my phone for both of these, but not in the store because I already got them. So this says, you're magnificent, thank you, let's drink to that, sip, sip, hooray, and hello, beautiful. I don't know, I just thought it was just different. Those tigers crouching and the cubs playing around. You know, the dragonfly lily pad and the grass. So anyway, paid the $6.99, but they were just different. It would be nice to color those. So I got that set as well. And last but not least, I did get this cabinet door. So it does come with the cabinet door. It does come with a frame around it. And then some of the hardware that would go on the door, like a padlock and some of the hinges. But you can also make this like a frame. You can also make it as a window. So a trellis, a couple of different things. I thought, you know, maybe I hate to pay $6.99 too, because I'm so spoiled from back in the day paying Tuesday morning cheap prices. But, you know, we adjust. But anyway, so thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And again, thanks for all y'all love and support. And I hope everybody's doing well and staying healthy. And take care. And I dare you to be creative. God bless.